Chicago is one of the best cities to invest in real estate in America. Hi there, this is Gabby, your investor-friendly agent and property manager in Chicagoland at Nex-Gen Real Estate. If you enjoyed content like this, please subscribe and hit that like button. Today I will discuss how to maximize your real estate investment in Chicago. Chicago is a very strong real estate market with a stable and diverse economy, and half the population is renting. It ranks 9th in the list of investment property markets in America. So how do you maximize your real estate investment in Chicago? Here are 7 ways to increase your success with Chicago real estate. 1. Choose your locations wisely. First and foremost, in real estate, it is essential to choose wisely in terms of locations. You simply cannot invest in locations just because, in your perspective, it is convenient. Always think about how you can cater to your present and future tenants. Invest in neighborhoods with high growth potential and tax incentives, low crime rates, good walkability and transportation options, great schools, and access to basic amenities such as healthcare facilities, shops, restaurants, parks, and recreational sites. Avoid investing in an area that is dependable on only one economic driver, such as tourism or manufacturing. Once you found a good neighborhood, make sure that the bedroom count and amenities fit the needs of your tenants. Number 2, reassess your expenses to make sure nothing is wasted. You should always reassess your expenses in order to not waste your money. First, understand the upfront costs, property cost, repairs and maintenance, insurance, and utility costs. Then you need to think of potential risks and build a cash reserve to prepare for unexpected expenses. And negotiate with your current contractors, utility companies, and others to find better rates for your properties. Number 3, add value to your properties through a value-added service. A great way to maximize your real estate investment is by leveraging convenience for your tenants. Add value-added services to your properties, such as trash pickup, ATMs, food stalls, concierge, and security guards. For example, by renting out a vacant part of your properties to banks' ATM machines, your tenants can easily withdraw money without having to walk far. And trash pickup is great for people who are busy. Number 4, market research. Always conduct market research to see if you are taking opportunity in raising your rental prices to the market. Right before you increase your rental prices, it is always important to make sure that the increase is relevant. Doing this helps you explain to your tenants the reason for the increases. Never forget that rent prices should be reasonable at par with the market. Number 5, use professionals. Real estate investing is not easy and can be tricky to navigate. So you need professional advice and expertise in each area of your property business to make things more efficient with fewer mistakes. As investors, you should leverage the power of realty team, real estate agents, contractors, attorneys, lenders, etc., to conduct due diligence on your behalf. They will also help you protect your investment and maintain a good relationship with your tenants. With real estate professionals on your side, your real estate business will be more profitable in the long run. Number 6, have a bulletproof tenant placement standards that protect you. Chicago is a tenant-friendly city, so you should always make sure that you have good tenants. And to ensure success in your rental business, you need to have bulletproof tenant placement standards. The tenant placement standards include targeted marketing, tenant screening, and keeping a good landlord-tenant relationship. Always place tenant screening as number 1 by checking credit scores, income statements, background reports, and past landlord references. This is crucial to avoid potential rent loss from non-paying tenants. And to have a harmonious working relationship with your tenants, include a biannual walkthrough in the lease agreement. As the renters have any property fixes, they need to make their lives better. Show exactly what maintenance you expect and remind them to complete them. Then you should also provide an easy way to submit maintenance requests. Use real estate apps to help you with this. And please, especially in Chicago, be mindful of the tenant-landlord ordinance. Always stay up to date with the local rules and regulations. I cannot stress this more. And number 7, which is the most important, make yourself familiar with the new laws and regulations. Don't waste your money on violations that might be easily and proactively taken care of. Be familiar with the local laws and regulations. Aside from following Chicago's landlord ordinance, you should also check local zoning regulations before renovating any floors in in your property and keep abreast with tax laws. Understand how to file for the right deductions and taxes. For instance, under the new tax law, you can deduct personal property costs and enjoy reconfigured bonus depreciation. Here's a bonus tip that will help you increase your success in real estate. Outsourcing to a property manager. To really get the most out of your rental property business, you need a property manager. He or she will be your eyes and ears on the property, handling the day-to-day operations. They will take care of urgent tenant concerns, minimize vacancies, collect rent, conduct inspections and repairs, pay the property bills on your behalf, and keep documentations and log communications. You will be freed from stress when you hire a good property manager. Chicago is such an appealing real estate market. With its growing economy, strong renter population, and diverse communities, it really is a no-brainer to invest in this city. But to maximize your real estate investments, you need to choose your location wisely, reassess your expenses, do market research, add value to your properties, work with professionals to craft strong tenant placement standards, and get familiar with local laws and regulations. As always, you can find a link below to schedule a free consultation with me. And I want to hear your thoughts about investing in real estate in Chicago. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and as always, where's your future?